Here I have TOSCIDO X109, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So firstly we'll have to put away cover for SIM card and SD card, and here you have to insert your SIM card like it shows you. Put it here, and here you have to insert your SD card. So yeah, and then put back cover. And now let's try to restart our tablet so it can detect SD card, SIM card. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. And there's also a notification that so there's no notification, but I can go to the Files application and show you that SD card is also found. Okay, now there is notification that there's some issue with SD card, but okay, who cares about this issue? There's a proof that SD card is found, is detected by this device, and here it is. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.